Hey, it's Barb with Barb Ann Designs, and today we're going to change out this spring and summer sign into a fall one in a snap. Okay, first of all, we have to deconstruct. So this is a chalkboard that is porcelain coated steel, and so it is magnetic, and I have all these flowers with magnets on the back. First off, we'll take that off. Step 2 will be to wash off the word bloom and change it to another word that's more appropriate. This chalk isn't going to go anywhere until I spray it with some water and actually rub it off. We're just going to get rid of this word bloom, and I'm using this board eraser with water to get that off of there. Now we're ready to add some different words to this. We're going to go with plain and simple. I'm going to do the word autumn across. Bring it down just a little and stick that on. Let me get my chalk paste. So I have my creamy, dreamy chalk paste. And I am going to just put on the word autumn. This is a big sign that has lots of words, but we just need this one. Now we'll pull the transfer off. There we go. I'll wash this in just a minute. Now that we've got this done, we're going to add our flowers that, again, I have just taken some silk flowers and added magnets to the back. So we will start filling up just like that. I've got some leaves that we can stick under. Let's see, let's stick this one. And then got some purple flowers and then a few yellow. This is just one of the many ways that you can use our beautiful magnetic chalkboards. Pretty great.